Hey, sneekylinux back. Yeah. Now, whether you like it or not, Ubuntu was the first distro to bring Linux to the masses. If you don't like it, it's tough. That's what it did. It brought it into a wider world. Now, there's been another distro on the back burner for donkeys of years. And last year, it was superb. It was MX-17. But now, we got MX-18. Dozo. So guys, we're in MX-18 released officially a few days ago, okay? So I'm going to give you a quick run through it, because I do really like it. I've got MX-17 running on 5 laptops at the moment that I use for out of my house, if you know what I mean. We use them for students. We'll just say that, okay? And they run really, really well, okay? And you can't knock it whatsoever. So when MX-18 was released, I thought, I'll let Ghosty have a go, because he loves his MX, and I've been doing NTX and MX for donkeys of years. But this one actually, in the time I've been using it, it's a full install by the way, has surpassed my expectations. I can't say nothing wrong about it whatsoever. So, where do we go? What do we do? Let's have a look. It's basically the same as you had it, but with some tweaks here and there. I'm not going to delve into it too much, but what I will do, okay, so we'll go to our menu, which is the same place. Remember, you don't have to have it on the side, okay? You can have it on the bottom, or the top, or the other side. All depends on the size of your screen. But originally, excuse my bad chest still, I'm still not very well. The guy who makes it said you put it on the side here for a simple reason. It frees up real estate, and it does, in all honesty, on a smaller screen. So anyway, we'll go to the menu. It's all the usual. I'm not going to go through what we normally do and go, this is A, this is B, this is C. I'm just going to go through some things that I like about it. So we go to the MX tools. These are some of the things I really wanted to show you, okay? So first, you get the NVIDIA driver installer. Works out of the box. I just went for the 390s just for this one for now. I can always upgrade them when I want to. It's super. Doesn't take no time at all. The codecs installer installs all your audio codecs for you before we even start. So everything's running and up and running and super duper. What can I say? This here turns on clunky enough, or updates conky by the way. So it does all your stuff. Let your sound. Your system sounds, your keyboard settings, which you all should really do when you're actually installing it. Put all the right stuff in before you even start. That's the best way to go, really. There's a tweak tool here, so if I click on tweak, you can tweak your themes, your compositor, your config, and all your other stuff. I've not even tried doing that yet. I will do over the next couple of weeks, probably. Your system locales, your welcome screen. Yeah. That's the usual, isn't it? And your package manager. Which is, these are the most popular packages that they feel that they should show you. So if I try, there we go, I'm going to go down there. Okay, must get a new mouse. Well, I've got several, but I just haven't connected them. Now, what I did when I installed here, I thought, well, I know what I want. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so if we went to browsers, I didn't install Chrome. I just went straight to Chrome. I just got it off the web. If we scroll down a bit more, and I'll show you what I did get. Okay, so under games, I installed Steam. Under graphics, the majority of it, basically, because I use all of it. I installed some icons, some I didn't do the kernels, no. Media Center, I didn't do anything. I don't want Kodi or Plex on here, to be honest with you. Media Converter. You know what? While we're here, should we just go and install Handbrake? Yeah, let's do it. Install. Off it goes. Now, what you do here, if you ask a question, it will be here in the bar. Okay, that's all we have to worry about. Oh, it's done already. That's how quick it is, okay? Everything is here for you. And the screencasting, obviously I installed OBS and Simple Screen Recorder, which is what I'm doing now while talking to you. So it's working super duper. Obviously I adjust all my audio, etc, etc. You can do the server stuff here if you want to a local web server. Themes, I haven't bothered doing that just yet. I've got so much stuff to do. Under video, Caden Live, OpenShot, I installed. Some of them are already installed for you. Oh, I actually installed 2 things. Forgot about that. Sorry. Yeah, forgot about that. And you can install all the old wallpapers if you want to. So yeah, that's how easy it is, okay? Really, really, really easy to use. And this is why this is one of the distros that has been rumbling under the top, whatever, for a very, very long time. Because it does everything really, really simply. This is the conky thing I'm using at the moment. It suits me, okay? Okay, so I'm using 16% of my CPU, 1.12 gig of RAM. Remember, I'm recording, and I'm recording at 1080-60, plus it's on high quality. I could have knocked it down, but I didn't bother. And one of the big bits here, you see where it says swap, okay? This is a big thing, a really big thing for me, and it should be for you too. If you've got a newer system anyway. You only get 2 gig of swap. It's a swap file, as far as I'm aware. I'm not sure, I've not looked into it. Whereas before, that would give me 64 gigabytes of swap and just waste my hard drive. Don't want to know about that, really, do we? Don't want to know about that. So anyway, back we go. I said I was going to do that. Task Manager is here. As you can see, still doing nothing. I've installed the NVIDIA drivers, as I said before. If I want to update it, we can click on the Update Manager here. So you click on him, and nothing's going to happen, okay? So, is there any upgrades? No, nothing to update. There was 4 when I installed it. That's all, just 4. So if I go into my, where should I go? It's the internet. I'll open up Chrome for you. And we'll just quickly go to the tube. I'm going to go there. UK, of course. And what I'll do, I'll put me in so we don't break any laws. Oh, ooh, sneaky sis at the top now. Okay. Okay, so if I put L in, there. Who's trying to do me there? That's me. Oh, rah, 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 rah. So here's one on the other day. This is how it renders while recording. And of course, we get a video of an advert. We don't want that. Plays okay. Plays super fine. I'll just turn that down because I've got my headphones on. Okay. So let's put that into 1080-60 and see what happens. Nice, it's doing the business. I'll minimise it just quickly. Ooh, we're using a bit more, but not too much. That's fine. I can live with that. Super fine. It is all super. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm going to minimise that, so I'm going to turn it off. As I said, it's not going to be a really long video. MX has been going a long while, and it's got better and better and better. Now, please remember, Ubuntu was the first one to bring Linux to the masses, wasn't it? Let's be honest, even if you don't like it, okay? It was, and that's just a simple truth. MX has took a different route, the long way round, as I'm going to call it, and is just as good. So if you don't want to try Ubuntu, you're going to go to a Debian-based system. This is the one for you guys. It's one for you. What I'll do over the next, we'll give it a couple of weeks. We've got other videos to do. We're going to do more and more with this. But if you want to do more or see more, go and look at Ghosty67 stuff. He will show you how he's theming, how he themes it and stuff like that, and show you a lot more that I'm going to do. Okay? Super. I love it. Sneaky Linux out. See you later. Bye.